Hey David, I noticed that the pictures you take on iPhone look better than mine. What am I missing?
That's a great question. The iPhones have amazing cameras and amazing capabilities, but you do need to know a few of the tips and tricks. So what we're going to start doing now is for the first time on September 1st at Experimac West Houston, we're going to have a digital photography workshop. We're going to show you how to use your camera, where all the settings are, and particularly on how to do some quick edits to get the most out of your pictures. You can see with a few simple edits, you can actually get really nice pictures. This is a picture taken about a year ago of our puppy dog. It's black and white, and it's pretty much right out of the camera except for the desaturation to get the black and white. We can do this very quickly, very easily with the iPhone. You just need to know where the settings are and what the sliders do. And we'll go over that. We'll put it on the big screen. Go to Facebook, register for our event. It's going to be September 1st, 10 a.m. Saturday morning at Experimac West Houston.
Where is Experimac West Houston?
We're on the Katy Freeway between Bunker Hill and Gessner, across from Memorial City Mall.
Great, thanks.
Thank you. Come and see us.